Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by opening your document and deciding where page numbers should begin. Use consistent margins and page size before inserting numbers to avoid layout shifts. For a simple sequence, add page numbers into the header or footer using the Insert menu. Choose alignment, left, center, or right to match your style. If your document has a cover, enable Different First Page to hide the number on the cover. Save a copy before making formatting changes to preserve the original layout. It applies in Word, Google Docs, and most similar editors. In Microsoft Word, choose Insert then Page Number and pick a position for the number. Use Format Page Numbers to choose number style and set Start at to a specific value. Toggle Different First Page in the header and footer tools to remove numbering from a cover page. In Google Docs, choose Insert, then Page Numbers, and select More options to set a starting number and whether to show on the first page. Always preview pages after applying settings to confirm correct numbering. To restart numbering, use a section break and open the header or footer on the new section. In Word, uncheck Link to Previous before setting Format Page Numbers and Start at. Use Roman numerals for front matter like I, Roman 2, Roman 3, and switch to Arabic for body pages starting at 1. To display totals, use Page and Numpages fields in Word or Insert Page, count in Google Docs for Live Page 1 event text. Save and export to PDF to lock the results.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.